Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how you can create Lab 1 homework submission. You will need to create a new R Markdown document. Let's call it Lab 1 homework. And in that document, we really don't need anything that they give us here, so I'm going to delete it. What we do need, however, are the questions. So I'm going to copy and paste the questions into the new document. The first question is download from Yahoo Finance closing stock price of GE. So how do we do that? Well, we need a code chunk for that. So I'm going to insert our code chunk. How can I get stuff from Yahoo Finance? Well, we did the same thing in a class. So let's just copy that code and paste it in here. And just to make few changes, let's call it output data frame GE. And here, instead of ticker Apple, we're going to use a ticker GE. And let's run that code, make sure that it works. Up there it is, GE 12,791 observations. Yes, that looks about right. Also, the data types look all good. Date is a date, and everything else is a number. Now, we should not forget that when the document is knitted, R will be looking for library tidyverse, because we're using a tidyverse function. So at the beginning of our code, we should load the tidyverse library. And then we can answer all the other questions. How many observations do we have? We have, and then you can type it in, how many observations we have. And then you can keep going, answering questions, either with text or code. Once you're done, I'll ask you to knit that document. Before we knit it, it needs to be saved. I'm going to save it as a Lab 1 HW homework. And the machine should start knitting the document. So it's working, processing the markdown, it's loading the data, and soon HTML file should appear. Excellent. There it is, Lab 1 homework by me, September 14th. And here it is, here's the code that loaded the GE data. In the end, you're gonna have some graphs, you're gonna have some numbers, and this HTML file, lab1-HTML, you will find it in your files. I have it somewhere here as well. That's what I expect you to then upload on Nexus.